Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Happy New Year, everyone. For this card kit of the month, which is January 2024, I am featuring the Softly Sophisticated Celebration stamp set. I'm also going to use Blueberry Bushel as my ink. I have two different card bases. One is Fresh Freesia and one is Balmy Blue. The ovals here that I am stamping on are from our basic white, and I have used the double oval punch. So it's a great punch actually, and that sentiment hey there or hello there fits perfectly. And the paper is Meandering Meadow from the online exclusive. So I'm going to show you how to put this card kit together. I did want to apologize for my tardiness in coming back to videoing it's the 10th today. I took a week off. I rearranged my craft room, and when I came back, I did some filming, and then I went to go and edit, and my software had a glitch in it. And after a lot of stress and a couple $100 later, I had to get a new software. Yeah, it was very difficult. And I ended up for Christmas, I got a new mouse and a new keyboard. So everything is kind of newish on my computer. But I will have to say it was harrowing, and I'm pretty sure my blood pressure raised because of it. So I do apologize for being a little tardy in coming to you, but it could not be helped. Now that everything is figured all out, I have no problem. I'm good to go. So if you want the measurements for this particular card design, the large piece of designer series paper from Meandering Meadows is 2 1/4 wide and 3 7/8 tall. And the basic white here, let me just double check. No, it's 4 1/4 by 5 3/8. The second piece is 2 3/4 inches wide and 2 inches tall. This one is a square, 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And this one is 1 3/4 inches tall and 7/8 inches wide. So hopefully you can see the pattern that I was going for there. And I mean, I have made so many of these card kits up all my Meandering Meadow paper. So, and I use 2 packs to be honest. So I'm very excited for this card kit. And I put a little bit of Seal Plus on the back, and as you can see, used the Fresh Freesia oval with the Fresh Freesia card base. That is card number 1. And then I have card number 2 here. So again, I will be posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday without delay. I am excited to be back to work this year. Anyway, that is my card for today. Thanks so much for watching, subscribing, thumbs upping, all the YouTubey things. Have a great rest of your week. Bye for now.